Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to use Real Estate Scraper. First, look at the initial steps. Start by selecting a real estate portal type. Enter bulk URLs. To get this URL, simply click on the Visit and Get URL link. Now search by city or property. Now click Search. Copy the displayed URL from the browser's address bar. Move back to the tool and paste the copied URL into the input field. You can also enter multiple URLs by comma separating them. Once you have entered URLs, simply click on the search button. Once the process is complete, you can check the data in the below table list. Now you can see here phone and email fields are empty. If you want to get these details, simply click on the Deep Extractor button. It will try to find contact details from other reliable sources. Once the process is completed, you can easily download or export the results to Google Drive. Thank you for watching.